welcome back to the garage and our Galaga project. We've done both sides. We have attached those with our pocket screws. We can show you that. There's the one side there. The screws all tapered and put in, and then the this side here, that's just 6-inch piece, 14 piece on the bottom. There's an end piece that we're just about ready to attach. There's the marked out places for the wheels. There's actually some back wheels to this cabinet. We're putting that together soon here, as well as the front. This front kick plate is going to be attached. It's just wedged in there right now. Just a temporary board just so I can maintain my gap, but test fit it there and help support that previous side being glued and screwed on. So we're slowly progressing and getting her together. I've decided, I think we decided last time it's going to be a complete restore, so I've ordered all new artwork. I actually picked up a PCB board for this game. I was trying to get one off the previous owner, but as well as bid one on eBay, and I got one on eBay. I was actually the winning bid, so I'm waiting on that. So I'm excited for all that to come, and maybe we'll catch that on video, a little unboxing video of all the new parts. But here we go. I'm just setting up. I got my few tools here. And we'll progress, and maybe I'll, when I get these sides organized, we'll get the next video up here and show you the progress. All right, stand by. Hey gang, we are still in the garage working on Galaga today. It's Friday, getting late. I might have to go home for supper soon. But I wanted to show how this Craig tool has worked so well. This tool here to put everything together. This section was put together with that. And then these cross members in here support the monitor. They were coming loose, right? All they were was just stapled originally, but that Craig tool lined it up, drilled that while it was still in place, snugged it up tight. Now everything is tight and square. Some of that thing must have come loose from the factory right away because there was just small staples in there. Now we are ready to tackle the front. This front panel, this kick plate is ready to pre-fit here. I did get that basket on the end. Well, so-called coin bucket handler, and that coin door insert fits really well. A couple of detailed drills there. We're ready to fit that. All right, still going. We're doing this, gang. All right, see you next time.